Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna do something really different from makeup and skincare. And today's video is gonna be all about nails. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you may have seen that I post a lot of pictures of my nails, and a lot of you requested me to do a video on how I do my nails. These are some of my recent nail designs. I hope you guys will really like them. Moreover guys, you can also do these fake nails at home, and that too under rupees 500, and you can use these nails all over for a period of 6 months or more. It depends on how often you do your nails. Moreover, this is much more better than getting your nails done at nail salons. Firstly, because it does not damage your nails, and it is much more cheaper than getting them done at any nail salon. So that's all, and without any further ado, let's get started with this video. So I'm going to start by telling you what all stuff you will require to do your nails, and all the links to the products will be down in the description box below, so you can just click them and purchase them directly. So the first thing that you will require is this nail box, which I purchased from Shein. And you will also require a nail filer. You can use any nail filer. Moreover, you will need a nail glue and some nail polish. I'm using this nail enamel from NYKAA, and this is their shade Lavender Crush, which is really pretty, and I'm using a matte top coat as well. Before starting to do your nails, you just have to make sure that you have cut your nails and your nails are really short. The next step is to take out nails from the box and try to match your nail size. You just have to make sure that the nail size is really fit into your nail. It does not have to be oversized nor really small, and it has to rest nicely on your nail bed. So I've taken all the nails from my box according to my nail size, and I'm going to use this glue from Miss Claire to stick my nails. This is a really nice quality glue to stick your nails. Moreover, a small tip is that don't start by sticking your thumbnails. Instead, leave the thumbnails to stick for the last, and start sticking your index nails and so on before, because that way it will become more easier to apply your nails, because when you have your thumbnails on, it becomes a little bit difficult to apply the other nails. So just leave the thumbnails for the last. So I'm just sticking the nail and pressing the nails for about 10 to 12 seconds, so to make sure that the nail is sticked on really nicely. Also guys, these nails stay on for more than a week if you take care of them properly. So I usually do all the work with these nails on, like I film my videos, I study, I use pens and pencils, and I also do some household work, and these nails stay on for about a week without any problem. So the better nail glue you use, the better quality of nails you will get. So yeah, try to use a good quality nail glue so that your nails stay for longer. I'm using the Miss Claire glue, which is really amazing, and this retails for 250 rupees if I'm not wrong, and it's really good. Another thing to take in mind before you start doing your fake nails is that you should cut your nails really small, because that ways your real nails won't be visible under your fake nails. So that is also a really important step before starting to do your nails. And also make sure you press your fake nails for 10 to 12 seconds so that they stick on nicely to your real nails, and that ways they will stay for longer as well. So I'm done with sticking all my nails, and now it's the time to cut your nails according to your desired length. So I'm just taking this nail cutter that I also ordered from Shein, and I'm cutting my nails up to my desired length. You can just cut your nails the way you want. You can keep them shorter or longer as per your desire. I'm just taking small sections, because that ways you have a safe cut. Like sometimes what happens that you chop off a really big amount of nail, and then you see that it's actually shorter than the other nails. So my advice is to cut little sections of nails before you chop off an entire piece of nail. Another thing is that I like to also keep a safe margin for when I shape my nails. So you just have to like leave 1 or 2 millimeters of nail, because when you will shape your nails will automatically become a little bit more shorter. So I just keep that safer margin. And I also use this small trick that I compare the nails of both my hands to see if the length is equal. So just compare the nails of both your hands like this, and make sure that both of the hands have the same nail length. And likewise, I'm just cutting. You can use this type of nail cutter because I personally feel that this is more easier to use with fake nails, but you can ultimately use the normal nail cutter as well. So I'm done with cutting my nails and now I'm going to file my nails. I'm going to use this type of filer, but you can use any nail filer you have available with you. So I personally like to use this type of nail filer because I think I have a better grip with it, and it also is easier to file with this one. I'm just gonna keep really simple nail shape. I like to go for a square nail shape because I think that that gives a more broader effect to my nail, which I really love. There are a lot of nail shape varieties. You can go for squoval shape, round shape, almond shape, and coffin shape is my second favorite, which is really in right now as well. So you can give multiple shapes to your nails according to your preference, and you can just google out the nail shape and just find out how to shape that particular nail shape. I personally like to keep them in the square shape because I think that my nails look much broader because I really have baby nails, like my nails are super small, so I like to keep them in this square and broad shape. Moreover, guys, these nails just will feel like your own nails, so there's nothing weird about these nails. They just completely file like your own nails, so you just have to file them just like you do with your own real nails. And when you apply these nails, they will actually feel like your own real nails, and you will not feel at all awkward. I'm just finishing to file my nails. So I'm done with filing and now I'm going to apply this nail enamel from NYKAA, which is their Lavender Crush nail paint, and I just love this color. You can use any other color of your preference. Moreover, the best thing about these nails is that you actually can change your nail polish color whenever you are bored of this color. So for example, if I'm bored of this, I can just instantly change the nail paint color by just removing it using a normal nail paint remover and apply another one of my choice, which is not possible if you get your nails done from salons and you get them painted with gel nail polish, or just you get your acrylic nails. So you just have to wear those nails and you cannot change the nail color. But with this nails, you can actually keep on changing the nail color, and you can actually reuse these nails like 2 or 3 times. I reuse these nails for 2 to 3 times if they are in a good condition. So like if I remove them, I can again stick them on with the same glue and use them again. So I've applied the nail polish and I'm just going to apply this matte top coat, which is something new that I purchased from NYKAA and I was really eager to try. So I'm just going to try it for the first time, and I'm applying it onto one hand only just to show you the effect of the matte top coat. So I'm just quickly going to apply this and show you guys its effect. I personally loved more the matte effect, which is looking really pretty. You can use any other color of your choice. So that's it for the tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video. If you really like this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me guys know in the comments down below which one of these designs was your favorite design. And if you guys recreate this, then please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your recreations. Moreover, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for new videos every week. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.